Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find the price alert page on the Bybit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should pull down to refresh the page and the new page or section will appear to you. All you have to do is sliding to the right side at the top till you find the signal section. Here you have three subcategories: price plunge, and the price alert section is here, and also the copy trading. So here you can check out the price alerts. If you are interested in it in more depth, just tap on it and you will get to know it in more details, including the charts, trade, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.